So, as some of you might know, Filmora 15 has finally been released. So, let me run you through 3 of my favorite features that I bet you'll fall in love with too. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first groundbreaking feature in Filmora 15 is something that they call AI Extender. Now basically what this allows you to do is when say you have a clip, but you want the clip to go on just a little bit more, but obviously you didn't record that part. Well, now you can make it longer with AI, and I'm not even joking. Let me show you how this works. So let's say I have this clip right here. Now what you want to do is you want to press on this clip and then press on this little icon right here, AI Extend. Now once you press on that, you can literally take this clip and simply extend it using AI. Now what happens from here is actually pretty cool. So now you can describe the content that you want to happen in this video. So obviously this is a video of a guy doing skateboard tricks. So I'm just gonna say, and then once you have say the camera movement and everything like that, you can simply press generate, and then it will start to literally make your clip longer using AI. I mean, that's just crazy. So while we wait for this AI to cook me something, let's go to the next feature. Okay, so another awesome feature is what Filmora is calling the pen tool. Now, just bear with me. So basically what you want to do is once you press on a clip, you want to find this icon right here, join tools. Now once you press on that, obviously you have your rectangle and your arrow, all of those things you can just put on screen, but here at the top there will be a new one called the pen tool. Now once you press on that, you can simply drag and write something, whatever you want on your subject, something like that, just to make a random shape, and then you can simply, if you wanted to, you can even close the shape, which I think is pretty cool. Something like that, and then let's close the shape right there. Now, I mean, this in itself is pretty cool. You can draw lines, you can do whatever you really want with it, but here is where the cool thing comes in. So once you draw whatever shape you want, you can simply double press, and then you want to scroll down and find the stroke effects. Now here you can turn this line into whatever effect you want. So you have this blue, you have that Doctor Strange sparkle effect. You can literally change this into whatever you want. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty cool, and you can even drag this and adjust it in a lot of different ways, from changing the color, changing the size and everything like that. But I think that is pretty cool. So let's say you want to put a highlight around something, simply draw it, and then you can color it and adjust it any way you want. Okay, so after a bit of AI doing its thing, it gave me this example. So just as an example, this was the first clip, and that is where the video ended, and then it gave me this one. Boom. I mean, it looks like the same clip. I mean, you don't recognize that as something else. So obviously this is where the clip ends, and then this is what AI gave me. I mean, that's just insane. Obviously with the VO3 AI software built into Filmora, I mean, you'll get some insane footage, and it looks as real as can come. So yeah, that is probably one of the coolest features yet. Okay, so the last feature I want to talk about is here. When you open Filmora, you want to press on all these things back here. Then you want to find this new one called animated charts. Now once you press on that, it's going to take you to this page right here. Now basically what this allows you to do is you can literally create any type of charts you ever thought about. So here is all of you can even put in data charts, you can put in normal charts, and then the coolest thing, you can change from vertical, horizontal, you can change it from light to dark. Here you can do all of the fonts, all of the colors. I mean, you can literally make this in any way you want. And the cool thing is Filmora gives you an outline, and then you just put in your own personal stuff from color, animations, and everything like that. So this is a very, very helpful tool, especially if you're gonna make a presentation, for example, and you need something like this to represent your data. I think this is an amazing feature. I know for my tech videos, for example, if I want to compare something in battery life or whatever, simply find a chart that represents them. So like this one and this one, and then I can start doing, okay, I only want not 1 bar, for example, and it's as simple as that. Then you can simply fine tune and then add to your timeline. Okay, so there you have it. Those are some of the coolest features that is in Filmora 15. Now, if you watched my first video, you'll know there is still a bunch more we can go through, but those are my favorites so far. If you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome. If you have any further questions, please just drop it in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.